Hey family, hey, what's going on? Yancy here. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. If you're new here, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, welcome. If you guys have been here with me for a while, welcome back. All right, so it's a new week, it's a new Sunday, it's Luxury and Lifestyle Sunday, and I'm bringing you something different. All right, so I'm just gonna get into it because I'm actually really excited about this particular video. All right, so as you all know, the summertime has literally been plagued with travel nightmares and bags getting lost. So I'm talking about travel, I'm talking about bags, I'm talking about packing, I'm talking about how to pack your luxury bags and making sure that you and your bags get to your destination all in one piece. All right, you guys, so as you well know, I have been traveling lately. I am not the best at packing light. I do not pack light. So if you are looking for that, that is not here. That is not the channel for you. That is not me. I am a heavy packer. I have not mastered the art of light packing. I'm trying to, because I am actually starting to travel more and more, and I'm trying to travel light because you just never know. Everyone's been traveling this summer and a lot of people have been losing their bags. Some people literally are just now getting their bags. It's been like 30 days, 60 days, what have you. Some people probably don't even have their bags, probably not gonna get their bags, who knows. But I am the one that travels the most with the most items, the most bags. Whether I'm gonna use it or not, my idea is always you never know. But me, I like to bring a lot of bags, all right? And if you are like me and you're wondering, my suitcase cannot take any more items in this bag because it's not gonna close, I'm here for you, all right? So I've actually learned to master this particular trick because I like to bring several bags, and I have big bags, I have small bags, I have like mini bags, what have you, and I like to bring them all. All right, so let's start with this key right here, all right? So this bag right here is my Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, you guys. I've been telling you guys about this bag for about a year and a half, maybe even 2 years. When I first revealed this bag with you guys and I first purchased this, now this is like the it bag. They have it in leather style, they have it in a large, a medium. I have the small, and it's mainly a cloth material. So, you know, it's very durable, it holds up. I love this bag. Currently, I have an insert in here, so that kind of just helps with everything, but I was looking for this dust bag. And this bag is pretty spacious, all right? If I wanted to, I could take the organizer out, but I'm not gonna do that either which way because I still do need it. So with the bags that I take, I normally take this bag. I also take this one as well. And then I try to take like a few like mini bags. I think I have this Gucci Soho, this Kate Spade Sam bag, and this Gucci Super Mini. So I have what, 5 bags. So with these 5 bags, I can probably take about 2 of these bags and stuff the other bags in there. All right, you guys, so what we're gonna do is we're going to open up the Gucci Soho Disco. We're gonna throw the Super Mini in there. And look how easily it fits, like literally like a glove. So we're gonna put that in there. We're gonna take this one and we're gonna throw it in the Gucci Bees tote. So right now you literally have 3 bags in one. So I have my Gucci Super Mini stuffed in my Gucci Soho, stuffed in my Gucci Bees. There's a theme here. Gucci. Didn't do that on purpose, but at the end of the day, the Super Mini is very small, very compact. So it was easy for me to put into the Soho Disco. And then with this Bees tote, it's just one large compartment. So I easily just stuffed the Gucci Soho in here. And then I was good to go. So now I'm actually going to take the Gucci Bees and see if I can actually put it in the Marc Jacobs. I might go ahead and just take the insert out. Listen, all right, so now we actually have what, 4 bags all in one, and you actually can't even tell. I'm looking in the mirror and you can't even see. So if I actually wanted to use this bag as my personal bag, I literally have 4 bags in one and I don't have to worry about checking them in, right? Right. So now let's do the countdown, all right? So we have the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. In there, I stuffed the Gucci Beast tote, which fit with no problems. And in there, I stuffed the Gucci Soho Disco, right? And in there, I stuffed the Gucci Super Mini. So literally 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have 4 bags that I can easily just put in my carry-on. And it's gonna kind of like be protected because this is a really sturdy bag because I feel like it can protect all of the other bags. So either which way, I'm gonna just go ahead and put that right back in here. And it fits with no problems, no issues. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Beast tote right in here. No problems, no issue. I'm gonna lay down the handles and I'm good to go. And I can actually even zip this if I wanted to, you guys, because if I lifted this up, no problems, no issues, I'm good to go. And you literally don't even know that I have 4 bags all in one. So I'm gonna take this particular bag and I'm gonna put it and lay it in my carry-on bag, and I'll show you guys how I did that. All right, you guys, so I would suggest kind of like when it comes to items like pouches, I would definitely take the pouches and put them like in a tote bag because they're so easy to pack. So I am carrying this beautiful bag, which I love, and this used to actually be my go-to when it was my personal bag, using it like on the plane. So either which way, I'm going to pack this as well in my carry-on bag, and I do have an organizer in here as well. So I'm gonna take this out because I feel like with the organizers, they can actually withstand a lot. So I need to clean this one. I'm gonna put it right here with the other one. Both of those I purchased from Amazon, you guys. I will go ahead and link that below if you want an organizer for your bag, which I've always said you need an organizer for your bag. I am an organizer person. I am pro organizer because you need it. It helps to preserve your bag. You don't have any like, you know, dirt or dust or anything like that. Whatever's going to get into your bag, the organizer is going to catch it first, all right? So as you can see, the pouches fit perfectly in there with no issues, no problems. All right, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the Coach Cassie as well as the Louis Vuitton pochette. So I'm gonna put those both in there because I am going to use both of these. All right, so now I have 5 bags in one, and honestly, you still can't tell that I have multiple bags in this particular bag. So I have my Pochette Matisse, I have my Coach Cassie, and I have my 2 pouches that I've actually stuffed in this particular bag, and then I can actually lay this Duville literally right inside my carry-on, and I won't have any issues or any problems. Now, when it comes to the double flap, you're probably like, where are you gonna put that? The double flap is actually going to go with me on the plane inside of my Louis Vuitton on the go. The on the go is very spacious. It's really big. I have no issues, no problems. I can actually still get snacks in there. I can get some of my camera equipment in there and stuff like that with no problems. I can probably roll up like an outfit, something really thin, really convenient, and put that in there as well. And I'm not gonna have any issues, any problems. So you guys, I'm gonna show you exactly how I kind of pack everything so you can see exactly how not only me stuffing these bags, but also putting them in my carry-on so that way you can see exactly how I place them. It's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle in there, but I still wanna make sure that I'm taking care of my bags and making sure that they're not getting smushed or anything like that, because I do still have to put them in the overhead compartment on the plane itself.